大家好，我是英英老师。Welcome to Learn Chinese with 英英。This is our 18th lesson of the series. Learn Chinese characters with pictures and stories. In this lesson, we are going to learn a super important tip to master Chinese character. That is radicals. Actually, a radical is the basic component of a Chinese character, and it itself holds information about the character. Normally, native speakers and successful learners use Chinese radicals to master Chinese reading and writing. Let's dive in. For instance, this is a super important Chinese radical. It looks like a square. So when you put a person in a square, it becomes this word, and it means prisoner. And you put another square in the square, it means return, widening, two common meanings of it. And if you put a tray inside a square, it becomes a word, this one, and it means be stranded. And if you put the word da inside a square, it means reason. And this word is interesting. It looks like an embarrassing face, and its meaning is also embarrassing. Let's have a closer look at each individual word. So the first word we are going to learn is 囚. 囚. It means prisoner. So do you notice the word inside is a person? We've learned this word in our previous lessons. So you see, if a person is kept in a certain place, it's a prisoner. It's quite easy to understand, isn't it? Let's write the word together. Remember our rules of writing: from the left to right, from top to bottom, from outside to inside. So this is the word 囚. 囚, it means prisoner. And next word we are going to learn is 回. 回, it means return or widening. These are the two common meanings of this word. Well, it's quite easy to remember. It's just the two squares together. This is the oracle bone script, and you can see it's very widening. So sometimes the way to return home is widening. So this is the word 回. 回, it means return or widening. Let's write the word together. The same rule. So this is the word 回. 回, it means return or widening. And next word we are going to learn is 困. 困, it means be stranded. So do you notice the word inside is the word 木. 木. We've learned this word before. So when a tree is kept in a certain place, it can't grow freely. It's kind of stranded. So this is the word 困. It means be stranded. Let's write the word together. Do you know how to write it now? It's still the same rule. So this is the word 困. 困. It means be stranded. And next word we are going to learn is in. In, it means reason. So the word inside the square is 大. So when we stretch our arms, we make ourselves big. This is the way we remember the word 大. So one way to remember this word is, sometimes we need to look at the big picture in order to find out the main reason. So this is a word 大 inside a square. It means reason. and the pronunciation of it is in. So let's write the word together. So this is the word in. In, it means reason. And the last word we are going to learn is Zhong. Zhong, it means embarrassing. Well, it's very easy to remember it, right? Because the word itself looks like a embarrassing face. So do you see here? This one is a downward, downward eyebrows and the mouth inside a square. So let's write the word together. So this is the word Zhong. Zhong, it means embarrassing. So how's everything going? If you have any questions, if there's anything you want to learn, please leave them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for being here when you can be anywhere in the world. You should really feel proud of yourself for your commitment in learning and growing. The simple fact you click this video and stick to the end is a true manifest of your growing mindset. I really hope this video was helpful to you. I'd love to know your feedback. Please drop them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. By the way, I'll upload video resources weekly. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。